Hello YouTube, I'm out in the woods again. It's cold, it's snowing, and I'm going to have my lunch now. The only problem is I don't have a can opener. So today I'm going to show you how to open a can using your pocket knife. So here we go. I take the knife and I place the tip right here near the rim. And now I'm just going to slightly tap on the knife. Don't push hard, don't hit hard. Just slightly tap it. As you can see, the knife penetrated the can with no problems. Move it back here and repeat. The can is too full, so I'm going to have a sip. And continue. Just tap it slightly. Until it cuts all the way. Move back a little, repeat. Move back a little. Done. This is incredible. I'm laying on my back in my hammock and it's snowing on me. I'll have to put up the poncho soon, but the feeling is unbelievable. It's so quiet and so calm, and there is only a woodpecker around here that I can hear from time to time. Life is beautiful. So, my lunch is ready. That's it for today. I hope you like it. Bye bye.